What we're asking for is for a re-examination of HIV criminalization laws and for these laws to be reformed in light of what we currently know about HIV. One of the things that motivates me and makes me feel so passionately about the work that I do is that I know people living with HIV, people just like me, are at times facing years in prison simply because they are trying to have an active, normal sex life, and the laws are set up against them doing that. I think it's important that people recognize we're not saying that disclosing your status is not a good thing. It is a good thing. And it's perhaps a best practice in those situations when it's feasible, when it's safe to do so, when you know that that information isn't going to be used against you in some way. So that's a different question, whether or not disclosure is a good idea. What we're talking about is whether or not we should have a criminal law that comes in and forces you to disclose. The fact is that even if you disclose your status, there's no guarantee that you are not going to be targeted, that you are not going to be prosecuted, and you may have to go in and try and prove in a court of law something that happened between you and another person. What we should have are laws that require an intent to harm. There should have to be some kind of ill motive and actual harm. Right now, the laws don't require either of those things. All you have to do is be HIV positive and not disclose your status, and you can go to jail for decades.